The MSC Endovascular Training Programs are designed to build your competence and confidence in a variety of endovascular interventions. You will work side by side with our clinical education specialists through didactic and hands-on simulation components that provide you with comprehensive hospital-based procedural knowledge. MSC's complex aortic intervention training programs include thoracic endovascular aortic repair, transfemoral aortic valve implantation, and endovascular aortic repair. Participants in these programs will learn about anatomy and common variations of anatomy, common lab setups, complication recognition and management, endoleak recognition and management, procedural considerations, device selection, and sizing.